Welcome back to another exciting episode of
Drunken Crafting Masters!
Woo! It's been about 3.5-4 years since the last time we've done this, right?
Yeah, we're really good at keeping up with our YouTube channel.
Yes, we are. We're very dedicated. But I remember we did say we were going to go to Russia next. So where are we going today? Shannon, Sasha?
Russia.
Don't say.
Oh, yeah. I guess we should reintroduce ourselves because I don't know if our two viewers are still tuning in.
It's true. In case you forgot who we are, I am Dustin Dupo, aka LLMRL.
And I'm Shannon Lester, www.shannonlester.com, also known as Sasha Zabolodchikova.
Yes. www.shannonlester.com is a hookup website. In case you're wondering, it has a good old GPS too as a noose.
Okay. So, as per usual, what we do on this show is we make cocktails and crafts.
Yes.
We get a little tipsy.
Nostalgia.
And we teach you how to make some themed cocktails that kind of go with the country that we're going with, as well as some crafts.
Yes, and after we make our two drinks, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely craft.
Yes. So, let's get started. Today's cocktails are very simple. We're going to show you how to do two cocktails. One is the Moscow Mule, which is very popular. Apparently originally not from Russia.
But that's fine.
Apparently originated from...
Because we've got some original Russian vodka.
Yeah, as long as you have your
Authentic
Stolichnaya vodka or Russian standard, you're all good to go. So a Moscow Mule is basically just vodka and ginger ale.
Yeah, it's very, very complicated.
That's all it is. Apparently back in the day, the original recipe, they used ginger beer, which is quite nice. There's a good little bite to it.
Yeah, but what we're also doing with it is that we have some chilled copper cups.
Yes.
That we're going to be using with our Moscow Mules.
So this is important. Oh, and one thing that we have now, which we didn't a few minutes ago, maybe you'll find out in the blooper reel.
I asked my wonderful husband to bring a bag of ice, and he sweetly did it. But this is what we got.
What do you say cheers in Russian?
Cheers in Russian.
Nazdrovia.
The accent on the second word is on the second syllable. I'll say it slow.
Nazdrovia.
Nazdrovia. She's gonna be drunk in 5 minutes.
Probably.
Okay. This next drink that I'm about to show you, the Tolstoy Tanger, is actually my favorite of the night. It's very tangy. It's all about the fresh lemon juice, and that's what I really like about it. It gives you that tang. And it's very simple. It's unbelievably simple. I think it would also work very nicely as a shot because it's very tangy. Of course, Dustin was making all that noise while I was explaining my drink. I'll be sure to do the same when he's introducing his crafts.
How dare you?
So anyways, Tolstoy Tanger. Basically, we want to mix it over ice. Wait till you see what we used before we had ice.
I found pierogies!
Who needs ice when you could use pierogies?
Yeah, it works great!
We figured they're frozen. It'll chill the drink. It'll be fine.
We just won't leave them there too long.
Yeah. So, substitution, if you don't have ice, use frozen pierogies. It works just fine.
We are very innovative.
But now we have ice. A lot of ice. So I have some freshly squeezed lemon juice.
He's going to eyeball it.
Yeah. So it's apparently 2 ounces per drink. I'm just going to put a lot because last time we didn't really have enough.
We didn't have enough. But
So
it was
lots
more
of
than
fresh
enough.
lemon juice is the key. And then you just want to use a splash of simple syrup, which you could use alcoholic, which we are, obviously.
Simple. Don't get it confused with basic bitch. It's simple syrup.
What is your shirt say?
It says Coca-Cola.
Oh, I love Coke too.
I love Coke too. Cola.
Okay. Oh yeah, and don't forget the vodka. So a generous portion helping
It
of...
says 2 ounces per glass. So 4 ounces.
Generous portion.
A generous portion.
Of Russian standard
Think
vodka.
4 fingers.
Okay. I like to eyeball it. Everybody knows that. So I'm just gonna put as much fuck as I think is necessary
Yeah.
to get us through this Drunken Crafting Masters reunion.
It's not a reunion. It's
Well, we didn't
a
tell them
revision.
about the falling
No.
out.
That's right. He fucked my husband.
Okay.
It's so hot in here, my glasses are fogging up.
Wow.
Like,
So hot in Russia. Never, I
I
didn't realize
I
it.
wouldn't know
So
that. It's Putin. Gets me hard every time.
Putin does not get me hard. Okay. So this is
Nastastrovia.
Nastastrovia.
Oh, wait, sorry. Nastastrovia.
Nastastrovia. I think that's right. Actually, this batch is better.
This is very tangy.
It's
A
good.
lot better.
Yeah.
I think it's because Shannon was able to shake it up more.
On ice.
Last time when we had our ice
Last time.
substitute, woo! We only do it twice because it didn't shake.
And
But we're
most
doing
of our
soda.
drink got absorbed into the pierogies.
Yeah.
You don't recommend using pierogies as a substitute for ice.
I'm a fan of this.
It's good.
Yeah.
Nastastrovia.
Nastastrovia.
We do apologize to the kind people of Russia whose language we are butchering.
We don't apologize to the hateful
President.
people
No.
and the president in Russia. I don't think that we can have a proper gay crafting channel without making fun of this country a little bit.
No, we have to be real here. Like,
Because otherwise, if we went there, we'd probably go
No.
to jail.
because we live in a free country.
Yes, we live in a country where we're allowed to do this.
Yeah. We're allowed to suck cock
Yeah,
and be proud.
of it.
And why shouldn't we be proud of it? I mean, come on.
I know, women have been sucking cock for years. They're not getting stoned. Oh.
Another thing we could do in Canada. Oh yeah, maybe we should do a little plug. I don't know if I'm going to get this video done before our next show, but 420
420 is coming up.
Another
it's my
reunion.
first show back.
in
In
Body
Kelowna.
on April 20th at Level. Lots of tickets at the door. Super cheap.
It's gonna be a great show.
Dragon Burlesque. This is our first club night. We're
Shannon-
done with theater shows. Too fancy
That's
for
right.
us.
Too fancy.
We're going back to the club. We're
Yep,
all
back to our
started.
roots.
Back to our roots.
That's right.
Filth.
But no, it's great. Embodiment started with you and I, and then Shannon has made it into this huge thing.
Yeah. But also with much thanks to Ellen, her hard work with doing 2 masks, 1 collar.
That's right.
And, you know, being a pioneer here in the drag scene and a drag grandmother.
Dragma. Well, this is Shanma. You
Shanma.
can't be throwing that title on
Elama.
me.
Shanma and Elama.
Sounds like enema.
Elama is not a
Elama.
good enema.
Elema the enema.
Elama will get right up inside you.
And clean you out.
It's like a Tolstoy Tanger. Tolstoy Tanger. This would make a refreshing enema too. Putin.
Huh? Putin.
I think he needs to sanitize his insides.
I think he does too. But maybe he was with Trump's tiny penis.
Trump's little mouth. Sucking Putin's little dick.
Make America great again!
Anyways, I think we've
We made fools of ourselves enough
we've
now.
probably enraged enough people. So let's do some crafting.
Yes,
shall we?
let's get to our crafting.
Anything.
I'm just so excited and I like guns.
Okay. I thought this was Russia, not America.
I thought they like guns too. How do they shoot the
Oh
people?
yeah.
Putin, 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 Putin. Oh.
That's actually horrible.
Nastastrovia!
Yeah, let's drink the pain away.
Anyways, for the craft today, we're gonna make faberge eggs. Which, by the way, this is a very special chicken. It's a Russian gay chicken.
Is that why the eggs are round?
Yeah, they're round because they have no sides.
So the Russian gay chicken produces a round egg.
Yeah.
I get it.
It's nicer on their uterus. Uteri? Whatever.
Okay.
But I have our bottle of hodgepodge.
Hodgepodge, what's that?
Hodgepodge? Mod Podge. I like hodgepodge.
We're using Mod Podge.
I like Mod Podge.
Why are we using Mod Podge, Ella?
Because we're going to glue a bunch of stuff to our Faberge eggs. So you can just grab a styrofoam Faberge egg and decorate it however you want. So we're just going to have a very fun crafting of decorating these eggs. And I got hodgepodge, Mod Podge, and then we're going to use these lovely MAC pencils because we're extra.
What are we doing with the MAC pencils?
We're going to take our pencil, dip into the hodgepodge.
So,
Mod
all
Podge.
those real crafting channels out there that are watching this, mind your own
You
business.
wish you were us using MAC pencils as a crafting stick.
So what is the proper technique for rubbing the...
You know what, Shannon? Fuck you. Just put it on your damn egg.
So, I mean, I imagine, correct me if you're wrong,
Correct me if you're wrong.
correct me if you're wrong, we could use a glue gun instead, couldn't we?
No, we can't use a glue gun.
Why?
Because it's styrofoam, and the hot glue is going to burn little holes into the styrofoam.
No, it's not.
So if someone is an idiot, go for that.
But you were looking for the glue gun before this video. And you couldn't find it. And that's why we're using Mod Podge, which is going to take forever to dry.
I was trying to play back on him, trying to make me feel like a fool for a moment. In case you guys all don't know and you don't live in Kelowna, I just recently moved back to my close friend, and sometimes I wonder why. And yes,
I
in my
wonder why
house
too.
that is unpacked, I could not find my glue gun. So we have Mod
Fair
Podge and Mac sticks, but I also had glitter adhesive that works great too.
Oh!
Oh, you want
No,
to
I'm
know?
having flashbacks. No, don't. We're not going to tell that story right now.
But we got a lovely bunch of stuff. I have like these things and little shiny things and little pearls. And I also had glitter too, which I might pour some glitter on mine.
So what, you just stick things onto the ball?
Yeah, we're making them pretty Faberges.
This is kind of like bedazzling, isn't it?
It's almost like bedazzling.
Bedazzling?
Bedazzling. It's like it's so pretty already.
I think it's similar also to pedazzling.
I don't know what bedazzling
You know what
is.
bedazzling? So, for those of you that don't know, bedazzling is when a woman,
bedazzling with
on a special
penis?
occasion, she glues some rhinestones and feathers and different things down to her vajayjay to make it look pretty for her partner. Bedazzling, figured it out. It's the penis version. You don't actually necessarily glue things to your penis, but you might want to glue it around the pubic area, especially if you're one of those guys who likes it neat down there. If you have a hairy bush, I probably wouldn't glue things to it. That should be our next video.
Hairy bush.
I think I know what we're going to do for our next crafting adventure. Where did bedazzling originate, Bella?
I think bedazzling originated from Desperate Housewives looking for some fun things to do
In America.
in America.
Oh my god, are we going to America next time?
Are we? Does America have culture though?
No.
Is there like a craft that we can think of that's truly American?
No.
Or I put too much glitter on?
You're covering your glue with glitters. You can't stick
No, I was
things to it.
sticking it around, like moving it around so that
You're supposed to be teaching the public how to make this craft, but meanwhile you're just... I won't say it.
yeah, I don't think
Well, I think mine's really pretty... Ugh. You know what? This new season of Drunken Crafting Masters is going to be bigger, better, filthier, in-your-face, political...
more special effects! Where should we go next? Our 3 subscribers, comment down below.
We'll pay you.
Remember, it can't be Italy.
Where have we gone?
We went to Italy,
No, we didn't.
Japan. No, sorry, we went to Ireland.
So we did
Ireland, Japan, and Mexico.
We've only done...
And
3.
Cuba!
We did Cuba? Oh, because we did a Cuba Libre.
Yeah, we did Cuba Libre, and then I did those fucking little shaky things.
So we've been to 4 countries in our
4
first season?
countries, yeah. And this time we're gonna go to Well, I don't know.
You know we're a low-budget show when we only have 4 episodes per season.
Granted, we started this groundbreaking show right before I moved.
Well, you know, it is about the drinks, it is about the crafts, but, you know, it's also about the talk.
It's about camaraderie.
Yeah.
I feel like I get my best work done with my close friend Sasha Jamaljakova beside me. I have the best filthy inspirations when this cunt is around me.
Speaking of Russia, you like Shameless, I like Shameless.
Are they
You know
Russian?
Well, you remember the Russian...
Oh, the Russian prostitute!
The Russian prostitute who took over the bar?
Who like feeds
Oh wait, what
other
season
family.
are you on?
I'm on season 7 now.
Okay, so you're caught up. What was her name again? It's Svetlana.
Svetlana, yeah.
Isn't Svetlana awesome?
I actually really do like her.
She's pretty
But
awesome.
it's on season
In a
9 right now.
polyamorous relationship. She's kind of like
Can I
came
fuck
to the
you? Can I fuck
States,
them?
took over the bar, dominated both the man and the woman. She knows how to strap one on.
Oh,
She
she's
knows
such
how
a
to run
sexy
a
woman.
business.
At first I didn't like her because I was like, how
But
dare
she's not
you?
a likable
How dare
character.
you fuck Mikey when Ian wanted to fuck Mikey. I hated it. But now that
Oh,
she's with the
Ian.
relationship, oh, Ian's so sexy.
Oh, I just melted.
You guys want to meet my cat? Yes, you do.
I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing.
So cute! He's so cute!
They banned cats in Russia too.
He's so cute.
Okay, so
He's
let's
my
say
little Mogi.
so let's say goodbye.
Goodbye.
So thanks for watching another episode of Drunken.
Drunken Crafting
Crafting
Masters!
Masters.
Yay! Bye, Mo!
We'll be
Say
back
bye.
at
Say
some
bye.
point.
Wait. We're going to take your guys' comments into consideration.
Yeah.
Comment down below
Where would
where
you
you
like
want
us
us
to
to go.
Exactly.
Because then we'll build our crafts around that.
And maybe
Because-
next time, I think we're gonna actually do a proper craft.
How dare you! I lost my house!
Okay, well, we'll see you next time.
Bye! Thanks for
Bye.
coming on another exciting trip of...
Drunken.
Pew, 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 pew,
No more
pew, pew.
cues.